That my time. That my crew, that my clique. That my fam, that my sis. That my gang, that my rich. Yeah, yeah. That my job. Yeah. That my job. Yeah.
You ignored me. Okay, we are at the Dollar Tree with bickering children. Children that like to fight with each other for fun.
Not for fun. I'm trying to teach her something.
Love's just being rude.
Okay, let's go. What do we got? What do we need?
Alright, I want some pens.
I know what I need.
Okay, we need color pencils. Grab it. That's it. Right there, girl. We need also...
You can get Lilo stuff.
Laylo, grab what you need.
The white.
Highlighters.
The white ones.
Just these ones?
Yellow.
Just yellow? Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble.
Okay. Permanent won't try out. We need dry eraser board. Nope. Is that? Oh, that is. Go ahead, grab it. Get it.
2-pack, it said.
That's not dry eraser. Just get that one, the dry eraser. There's 4 in there.
Yeah, but I want the black.
No, they said 2 packs.
2-pack.
You want the black ones.
Look, it said.
I wrote that wrong, okay? You don't need 2 packs, but whatever, go.
How come you just said that?
I said I wrote it wrong. What else on there? Notebooks? No, you got your notebooks.
Tissues.
Yeah, let's go down.
I need an eraser, too.
No, you don't. The pencils have erasers. You need pens, Laylo? Okay. What? For $1? I just paid 70 cents and I could have got a 3-pack for $1. I paid 70 cents for each.
I get notebooks, Mom. Look at this.
Get it. Go get it. Okay. There. Let's keep it moving now.
That's pretty good, honestly.
Okay, so we got.
I got like 4 notebooks.
There's another area that we can look.
We got those. So we have. Oh, we need tissue and hand sanitizer.
Yeah, we gotta go down there.
Why do I need tissues?
I don't know. For this, to help the school. My battery's dying. To help the school for winter, so you not be like this.
Yeah.
Unless, never mind. We could just use the bag. Put everything in the bag. Come on. All right. Ooh, those are cute. Oh, Laylo. Let's look for boy clothes. Do they got any more stripes? There we go, right here. I thought these were the shirts that you were talking about.
He doesn't need any more shirts, Mom.
You want to get a couple?
Like the
What the heck?
Girls,
he already
right?
has like 1,000.
over there, look.
Oh my gosh.
These are all cheap.
Men's t-shirt.
And clothes.
Oh no, I don't think so. Actually, I don't.
Remember last time we were? Yep.
Yeah, I don't think so. Those ones see look like they're for girls. You know?
I'm gonna
Okay.
be a chef today.
What's that?
Slow. Look here.
He doesn't need any, Mom.
Mind your business on what he needs.
Okay, never mind. I'll just be quiet the whole time.
Yes, I choose what I think he needs, not you.
Well, he doesn't need it anymore.
But you don't need any.
Like 30.
You didn't need any more yesterday.
1,000 clothes.
That's the first day of school outfit.
Yeah, but you already have a lot of them.
You have 1,000 clothes too
No,
now.
I don't. I got
Yes, you do.
maybe like 9 shirts.
You're being a liar. You don't
Pool
only
and
have
spa?
9 shirts.
What?
You have like 20.
Oh, cool.
You're just jealous. You need to stop being so
Stop.
selfish.
Don't hit him.
I wasn't.
Gotta think about other people.
Stop.
That's what Grandpa told me.
Stop.
You remind me of somebody I know.
She doesn't like it.
All about yourself.
Stop.
What the heck? Why is there
Stop it,
plates?
Lilo.
Here we go. What do we need? Look on your thing. 3 folders. 40 cents. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, are there blue?
No. Oh, there is. Here. Look. Blue. Grab the blue.
Where?
Right here. Blue. Blue. You want 3 blue ones? Yeah?
There's these.
No. Those are $1. Can you push it?
Help mom for once. Just watch her. Put those back.
Open that bag.
Thanks, Angelisa. It's like you have an attitude right now, but I'm just gonna disregard it.
Okay.
Okay, I need number 2 pen.
Pencils. Yep.
Is it number 2?
Does it say number 2 on it?
Yeah, those are
These are number 2. Are they? Oh, number 2 HB lead.
And then
What do you need?
just folders, a binder.
Oh, yeah.
Notebooks.
Juicy. Juicy.
oh, there's binders at the dollar store too.
Wow, they sell couture. Juicy couture here. Interesting. Bear,
Daddy
what?
wrote you like a really cool poem. This was Daddy's poem that he wrote you.
Cool. Don't lose it though.
I read it. What are we doing?
Just looking. I'm just looking.
Look, we're getting school stuff here, not stuff.
Why do you feel like you can tell me?
Exactly.
Well, you told us we're getting
No,
school
Angie. No,
supplies.
if mom wants to look around, you let her look around.
Okay,
Simple like that.
I need to
It's not about you.
think about what I need to get for the house.
Your bag? How do you act like that?
There's ones up there.
Radiant color.
It doesn't really matter about the...
This one I really
shampoo.
Oh my god.
Maybe they're fake. Tresume's good.
This one. Really, apples.
No, I don't know what they smell like. They don't smell like Pantene.
Every single one.
Yeah, that's not the real. I don't think. So I guess
Coconut cream conditioner.
that might be good for you, Lalo.
It would be.
So use it. Get
Should I
it.
grab it?
Freeze dried. I love this.
They got any? Hold on. Let me get Daddy. See
Ooh,
if,
can you?
do they have any?
We get this today.
No, I'm looking for a good price. Those are peanuts. I think I'll get Daddy the peanuts again. He liked them.
Look how big this salt is. You should get this salt, Mom.
much are these? $1? This is the same stuff that they sell at the dollar store.
We should get this salt.
Himalayan salt.
Yes, like we used to have.
Himalayan salt.
It's easy.
Oh,
This stuff looks good. I'm about to do it. I'm a sneaker boy.
what? What are you doing?
Hurts. Oh.
Stop,
The
stop.
camera, what do I do? Dude, I'm not-
Oh, Mom, this is good. Pear juice. Can I get like apple juice or something?
I wonder if we should get some snacks here.
Should get some apple juice.
Yes, we need snacks. Dad ate them all.
Yeah,
I know.
I
Do you
love
like
that.
those?
I love those. I'm glad
Get
you're
'em.
looking at it. I sure was too.
Weirdo.
Call the pizza. Hey, what's this? Churros? Oh, never mind. Laden. The French twists.
I don't really have. Let's keep looking. I never usually shop here
Can I have some like
for food, though.
juice?
Oh, look at those muffins. How much are those?
With muffins.
$2?
Which muffins?
Right there, have you? Miss
The
Muffin.
bottom.
Grab them up.
Oh, not
How many you
strawberry?
get? 8 of them.
I'm gonna get this.
That's blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry seems like a better. I never actually say blueberries. I like that stuff.
$2.39. Put it in.
Excuse me.
Yeah, nothing else
Oh,
good
this looks
here.
good.
No, that's for people who are on diets.
People what?
Oh my god! Get your cereal.
Oh, yes, yes.
Want Rice Krispies, Layla?
I know you do.
You want those?
Oh.
Layla can't have them.
I'm gonna grab them for you, Mom.
No, I don't want them.
Oh, then we can't get them. We can't have them.
This one's good. Look at wild berry.
I want to have
Here.
Reese's Puffs. Oh, I want that too.
Here, get that one. That's a big one.
Can I get Reese's Puffs?
No, banana cream frosted flakes.
I want Reese's Puffs.
Want to try that?
Pretty good, yeah.
Yeah. No, it's 2 boxes in one, and Layla can't have it.
Excuse me.
Excuse
Angie,
me?
you can't always be like that. It can't always be about you.
Okay, come on, because I can't.
Not about me.
I can't.
You're being so like selfish.
Quiet. I was just moving over and you moved back
No.
where I was going.
You're being considerate.
Stop.
You're a bad kid.
Stop.
I did not even know. No, we're looking for
One.
snacks. Not this kind of snacks, though.
You're not talking like that.
Stop.
Please, please.
Apple chips. Can we try these?
What the heck? Okay. We'll try those. All right.
And tissue. Roll up, mini roll. Ah!
They must be tiny.
Yes, that's good. The kids don't eat a bunch at once.
We are done in here.
Thick and full conditioner.
What? Is it? Okay. There is no other one. There's no other one. We're gonna wait over here until somebody else comes. We'll be right here. How about that?
Yeah, this.
How about that? Huh? No.
Is that like?
We're gonna wait until somebody says we're open on whatever. There's this one lady that takes forever. Not saying that she's not a nice lady. Just saying she's really
Prices of every single one, even though we know.
I need look. Okay. You go ahead, stand in line, Layla.
Why?
Because nobody else is opening. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Real Techniques. $2. Can't beat that. Yes, girl. Yes. I have an answer for your question.
For cold lunch.
Oh, that's cute.
The days that I want cold lunch,
No,
pack it for me?
no.
Then can we get Lunchables?
This used to be $59. No, Angie. What the hell? $16?
Guys, she never packs my lunch.
No. She gets lunch at school.
No, I'm being cold lunch this year.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I have a lunchbox. I'm being cold lunch.
Every now and then you could bring cold lunch.
I know. So
You're not doing it every day. Excuse me, sorry. Hey, you. Over here, Lalo.